Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video we are going to talk about free online course offered by the IIT Bombay. Now let's begin our video. IIT Bombay is offering a free course to the students showcasing the basic programming value and helping in giving the best knowledge around C++. The course covered by IIT Bombay covers several approaches like programming and problem solving. C++ as one of the oldest programming language holds a lot of value in the market. As a low-level machine feature and design faster program, it is also safer, modern and offers high-level programming model libraries to make it easier to code for the developers. The course offered by IIT Bombay includes several topics such as control flow, programming notions, conditional execution, variable and assignment statement, function calls, structure, arrays, recursion, heap memory, elementary aspects of classes, program design, and the array of solving problems manually. It also includes the strategies that can be converted for the computer program, introduction to assertions and invariants, organizing large programs into classes and functions, metrics, arithmetic on polynomials, design of editors and simulators, sorting and searching, elementary animation, graphical editors, standard C++ library, rudimentary graphics system, map classes, vector and the string. Now, who can enroll in this program? The course is specifically designed for undergraduate students, first and second year, with a keen eye for computer science. However, anyone who is interested in taking the course can register themselves with a single condition of being a science student in class 12th. What is the course timeline? The course is designed for 12 weeks that will start from 18th of January 2021 till 9th of April 2021. This course will be followed by the exam for a certificate on 25 April. Program instructor. The course is led by the Professor Abhiram, who is a well-known computer science and engineering professor at IIT Bombay. He is a former student of IIT Bombay where he completed his degree in electrical engineering and holds a PhD in computer science from Yale University. He also had a research interest in combinational optimization, algorithm programming education, and scheduling in transportation system. In 2006 to 7 and 2010 to 11, he won an Excellence in Teaching award. Topics to be covered in the course. The C++ course that Professor Abhiram will lead includes several aspects that give detailed information about the programming language to the upcoming talent to enhance their skill set. Introduction to notion of program organization, computer using graphics and control flow. Introduction to macro statement repeat, basics of computer hardware, use of drawing interesting pictures processed on computers, representation of information and numbers. Introduction to program design, summing infinite series, variables and assignment statement basic data types, introduction to elementary animation, coordinate based graphics, looping repeat macro, computing mathematical function, conditional execution, looping root finding, parameter passing function, references pointers and recursion basics, and etc. How to enroll for free? The course is available for free on the NPTEL website. How to obtain a certificate? The online course is free of cost for the students that want to learn. However, there is a registration fee of ₹1000 for the students that want to sit in the exam and obtain a certification. However, certification is only for the students who can obtain 75% in the exam and 25% from assignments. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you.